This is Ikota Villa. After the second Lekki toll gate, we have a 4-bedroom semi-detached, very affordable. You can see it's spacious. It has quite good parking space. With 38 million naira, this beauty can be yours. Let's walk inside and see how it looks as we approach the living room. This is the living area. It's not a very big house, but it's very, very spacious and affordable. You can see the tiles, the finishing of the tiles. You can see the staircase neatly done, nice chandelier. Let's see other part of the house, like the visitor's room. This is the visitor's room downstairs. It's also en suite. And then the kitchen. It's still under construction, but as we can see, it's quite spacious. It has nice POP finishing. It's just the cabinets will just be brought in. And then let's see other part of the house. This is like the dining area and the living area. Nice finishing. Let's take a walk upstairs and see the bedrooms. All the bedrooms upstairs. You see the staircase is neatly finished, nicely done. We approach the family lounge. There's a small space up here for the family lounge, as you can see down there. Let's look at each of the rooms. This is one of the bedrooms upstairs. See, nice finishing. And then another bedroom upstairs here. It's also en suite. Both bedrooms are upstairs here are en suite. You can see the toilets and bathroom there. It's spacious. A 4x6 bed can then fit into this room. And that's the toilet and bathroom. And let's take a look at the master bedroom. So there are 3 bedrooms upstairs, then 1 downstairs. This is the master bedroom. It's a nice POP finishing. See the towels. And let's walk to the bathroom. This is a spacious bathroom and toilets, as you can see.